remember me? If you don't, I am Bunery the Bunny. I love the Little Mermaid movie. I think I am going to create my own puppet show about it. The first thing that I am going to need is make some underwater sea animals. I know, I can make a crab. If you want to learn, all you need is a piece of square paper and a marker. Now follow me. What else should I make? I know, I can go watch Katrina's video and learn how to make a fish next. You can click the link above if you want to learn too. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.